Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. 2-methyl-3-pentanone has the structure CH3-CH2CH2CH3. This is a ketone with an isopropyl group on one side and an ethyl group on the other side of the carbonyl. Moving on to the next step. One logical disconnection is to break the C-to-C bond between the carbonyl carbon and the isopropyl group. This suggests forming the ketone from a secondary alcohol intermediate CH3-CH2CH2CH2 2-methyl-3-pentanol, which upon oxidation gives the target ketone. Alternatively, disconnect at the other side to get propanol plus isopropyl nucleophile. Moving on to the next step. Step 1-1-propanol CH3CH2CH2OH plus PCC CH2Cl2-propanol CH3CH2CH2OH. PCC oxidize a primary alcohol to an aldehyde without overoxidizing to carboxylic acid. Step 2-propanol plus CH3-CHli isopropylithium diethyl ether lithium alkoxide intermediate. The organolithium reagent acts as a nucleophile, adding the isopropyl carbanion to the aldehyde carbonyl to give a lithium alkoxide of 2-methyl-3-pentanol. Step 3H3O plus protonation gives 2-methyl-3-pentanol, a secondary alcohol. Step 4 Na to Cr2O7, H2SO4, H2O, heat oxidize the secondary alcohol to the ketone, giving 2-methyl-3-pentanone. This sequence is clean and logical. Primary alcohol aldehyde addition of isopropyl nucleophile secondary alcohol ketone. And for the final step. Option A. Adding a Grignard reagent, isopropyl magnesium bromide, to 1-propanol directly does not work because Grignard reagents are destroyed by alcohol's proton transfer. The alcohol must first be converted to an aldehyde. Also PCC after Grignard addition would give a ketone from secondary alcohol, but step 1 is invalid. Option B. Oxidizing 1-propanol with Na to Cr2O7 gives propionic acid, not an acid chloride precursor to use in Friedel-Crafts, and Friedel-Crafts acylation is not applicable here for making aliphatic ketones in this manner. This does not give 2-methyl-3-pentanone. Option D. Starting with 2-propanol, oxidizing to acetone, a ketone, then adding propylithium gives a tertiary alcohol, 2-methyl-2-pentanol after workup, not a secondary alcohol. PCC cannot oxidize a tertiary alcohol. This does not yield the target. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.